Hello friends, in the previous video we learned together what points we should consider to choose a suitable instrument for ourselves to make a better choice. In this video we assume that we have acquired the instrument and now we want to start learning. How we sit behind the instrument is one of the most important points that we need to pay a lot of attention to. I will tell you a few important points in this video that you must definitely follow. The first point is that it is definitely better to use a stand when starting to learn. Like me, place the instrument on the stand so that it is completely stable and you don't have to worry about it falling or slipping. Ultimately, if you don't have a stand, you can sit in the way shown to you and place the instrument in front of you. Avoid other sitting positions for starting. The second point is that in any of the positions I mentioned, if you want to sit, you must ensure that your elbow is level with your instrument. This means your elbow should not be much higher or much lower, which would cause your hand to be angled up or down. So make sure to follow this point. Point 3. We find the two larger notes of the instrument and place them directly in front of us, aligning them on a straight line. The subsequent notes, which get smaller and smaller, are also placed in this manner, extending along these notes. To make playing the instrument easier for us, we slightly raise the part that is towards us. We position it so that it has a gentle slope downwards. This slope helps prevent injury to our wrist. Point 5. The instrument should not be so far from us that we cannot reach the farther notes, nor should it be so close that we cannot play the two notes that are towards us. We should be able to play them easily. There should be a perfectly suitable distance between the instrument and our body, ensuring it's not too far. And now the last and most important point. Our surroundings should be completely clear and free, so that our hand can move freely backward, forward, right and left. Therefore, our hand should have complete freedom of movement. Avoid leaning or sitting on armchairs with armrests. Well friends, if you fully adhere to these few points I mentioned, learning the handpan will become much easier for you. So, first, get into the correct position, then start with the next exercises. Take care.